Hey, hi guys, this is ArpitaTulsyan here. I hope you all are doing good. Yes, so now this is the time to restart our studies for May 25 examinations. Yes, whatever is done. Whatever happened in the last few days is over. Yes, now we have to get back to our target. As you can see, that is going to be our May 25 examinations. Yes, so now I'm here to help you regarding the IDT paper, indirect taxes paper. Ma'am, how do we go about it? How about the amendments? Ma'am, how do we revise it? And all those things we are going to discuss quickly in this particular video. Just listen to me for the next 10 minutes and you should be very, very thorough with it. And there should be no confusion, right? We need to, before we start our studies, we need to be clear that how are we going to study, what are we going to study, and all those things, right? So now, first of all, for your May 25 examinations, first, before starting our preparation, okay, just ask yourself, where do we stand? Okay, where do we stand? What was my position? Was I able to complete my syllabus last time? Was I able to do sufficient writing practice? Was I able to cover all the amendments? Was I able to, do the revision and all those things? Everything. You just need to question yourself. Okay, you will get yes, no, okay types and all those things. Depending upon that, your preparation is going to depend, okay, for the upcoming May 25 examinations. Okay, suppose if you fall under the category that ma'am, I was well prepared. Okay, ma'am, I was well prepared. I was very nicely prepared. Plus, I had done the question answers also. Okay, I had done the question answers also. I had done the writing practice also. Well and good. Okay, well and good. No problem. No problem. In that case, you can continue with your self study. Okay, whatever books you have, you can continue with that. The only thing extra, okay, only thing extra that you need to do is the amendments. Okay, amendments, as I had already mentioned in my earlier videos also, that I will be providing. Okay, from your last attempt to this attempt, whatever are the amendments, I will be providing it on YouTube very, very shortly. Very, very shortly. Okay, so you can continue with your self study. Just like for concepts, you can follow the concept book. For question answers, you can follow the question bank. And for amendments, I will be providing you the amendment sheet also plus the video also. Okay, this is about the material and all those things that you will be using. Ma'am, okay, this is some people, some students might feel that, ma'am, I understood all the concepts. Okay, ma'am, conceptual clarity was there. I understood all the questions, but I was falling short of time. Okay, I was falling short of time for the question answers. For the question answers. So, ma'am, I could not practice it, and that was the reason. Maybe I was not able to attempt the questions in the exam, or maybe I was not able to write. Okay, in that case, now you know what is the problem. Okay, if you think that concepts, yes, you understood, but you could not do writing practice, you could not solve questions, etc., then now you know the answer is you need to do the question bank, right? You need to do a good question bank. You need to see as many or go through as many questions as you can, right? So this is the area of focus. Okay, question bank will be the area of focus. Concepts, obviously, you will have to revise. Okay, from the content book you can revise the concept, and then for solving the question answers you will have to follow the question bank, right? This is another thing. And yes, definitely amendments, so we have to do because there are amendments. Okay, again, amendment video I will be providing it to you. And last, okay, lastly, suppose you realize, ma'am, no clarity, I did not have clarity, I could not correlate the chapters, I did not have sufficient time towards the end, or any other reason. So in that case, again, okay, this was our problem. Now the solution to this is what? Solution to this is, now we have to do the concepts also, right? Plus we need to do the question bank also, right? Plus, ma'am, for this time, what about the amendments? So yes, definitely amendments also we need to do. Okay, so first and foremost thing is to identify the problem. What is my problem? Okay, my problem, do I fall under the first case? Do I fall under the second case? Do I fall under the third case? Please identify that. Things will become very, very simple. I hope I'm very, very clear with this. Okay, so ma'am, in this, how can you help us, or how will you help us? Okay, one thing is common is in all the cases, amendment videos, so I will be providing it to you. Okay, amendment notes, chapter wise. After the end of every chapter, amendments, because more than amendments, there are additions, notification circulars. So once you complete with a particular chapter, at the end, you can watch the amendment video. Okay, so I'm sorry. So in that case, amendments problem, leave it on me. Okay. Now, in case if you are doing self-study, well and good, you can use the YouTube revision videos. Okay, YouTube revision videos are already posted for you. The entire playlist is there. Along with those YouTube revision videos, you just have to watch the amendment video. You can use the same YouTube revision video, because in addition to that, you just have the amendments. Okay, so please use that YouTube revision video. I will be putting the link in the description of this video also. Okay, now, ma'am, what about the question answer? Suppose if I fall under the second category, ma'am, I understand the concept, but question, etc. No. So in that case, you have got two options. Okay, you have got two options. Either you can buy the question bank book. Okay, only the question answers book we have. 1000 plus questions are there, more than enough. Okay, question bank book you can buy. And if you want to do the solving also, like if you want to do the solving with me also, then the question bank lecture batch is also there. Okay, lectures batch is also there. In limited time, we have almost discussed all the question answers, okay, from your same book. So this is one of the option included. Okay, if you are going with the question bank lectures batch, then you will be getting the book also along with that. So that is not an issue. And once this is done, then you can watch the amendment view. And lastly, okay, lastly, ma'am, no conceptual clarity. Then in that case, we need to go through the concepts also. Now, considering the time, okay, considering the time, you can go with the fast track batch. Okay, in our fast track batch also, 100% concepts are covered. Okay, I don't cut short things there. In our fast track batch also, 100% concepts are covered. Additionally, if you think that you need to do the question bank with me, then you have the question bank batch also available. Okay, so fast track lectures you can go. In that, concepts will be covered. Okay, all the concepts will be covered. And additionally, if you want to do the question bank, then you can go with the question bank batch. Okay, anyway, amendment I will be providing you. Amendment will be provided in the lectures itself. So, zero amendments you have to do if you are going with the lectures. Okay, so this is how I can help you. Another thing is, before me helping you, you need to help yourself by understanding in which category you fall, right? That is another thing. And for the May 25 examinations, let me just tell you, these are the books available. Third edition books are available for May 25. If you're going with these books, okay, if you're going with these books, this contains three volume 1, volume 2, and volume 3. Volume 1, volume 2 is your content book, and volume 3 is your question bank book. This is fully amended. Okay, if you do this, then no other amendments you need to see. And if you want to go with the lectures, like if you want to go with the regular batch, which has concepts also, which has question answers also, the fees is 8,000 rupees. If you want to go with a fast track batch, which just has the concepts in it, then in that case the fees is 5,000. And if you want to go with the books, then it is available, and all these are fully amended. Okay, all these are fully amended. So this is how it is. YouTube revision videos already available. Amendment video I will be posting very soon. Okay, lectures, your conceptual lectures, also your question bank lectures, everything is available on our website. And yes, for the lectures, for the video lectures, be it your question bank lectures, be it your regular lectures, be it your fast track lectures, we have this offer going on for the moment, that is 10% off, which is going to be there till 5th of January. You can apply this particular coupon code and you can avail. Okay, this is how we are just trying to help you. If there is anything, okay, if there is anything that you need to ask me, then just WhatsApp on the second number. Okay, just WhatsApp on this second number. I will be happy to help you. And if you need to talk about the books, lectures, or any other things in the office, then you can contact on the first number. Yes, so the main thing which I want to tell you is, Now, without wasting any time, okay, without wasting any further time, we need to buckle up and we need to start back with our studies. I hope I'm very, very clear with this, everyone. If you have any doubt, do let me know. Do WhatsApp me. I will be happy to help you. Yes, all the links, all the descriptions, all the links and everything I will be putting in the description of this particular video. If you have any other doubt, please visit our website ArpitaTulsyan.com or just WhatsApp me. I will be really very, very happy to help you. Just WhatsApp me. You will definitely get a reply. Yes. Okay. Thank you so much. All the best.